Who's here for the free lessons? Because I definitely am. It's Miss Dan, and we are here doing beginners Ulster Irish for free. At the minute, I'm doing these every day. I'm putting them in a playlist. So right now, we're quite far ahead. If you're only coming across me now, you can go to my profile or the very bottom of this video, and you'll see beginners Ulster Irish playlist, where I've set them up in bite-sized modules, just a few minutes, so you can spend a few minutes a day learning some Irish. Fáilte Irish, welcome back. Or Kajan Crack and welcome back. If you have been following along so far, you'll know that we were looking at questions like Kajan Maratatu, an open question, being how are you? Kajan Maratatu, how are you? And one of the answers that you could give is Tame go moi, I'm well. Tame go bra, I'm fine. Tame go hulk, I'm not well. And then we looked at a closed question, like, and will to go moi, Are you well? And we know the answer is ta or nil. Ta being am, nil being not. I'm not. But for the full answers, it could be Tammy go moi or nil me go moi. So that question could be changed to and will to go hulk. Are you bad? And will to go bra? Are you fine? And then the answers would be the same, ta or nil. So that ta or nil being a cheat code, because it's a direct question, direct or closed question, where there's very limited responses that you can give. You're either replying back with a positive or a negative. So those are positive negatives, and you just take the first word. And we'll have some more cheat codes like that as we progress on through. Today we're actually going to look at a different type of question, and it's the negative form of the same question. So if the positive form is are you well, then we're going to look at aren't you well? So we're going to throw in a bit of a curveball here at the start. So the negative is Nach will, aren't. So it's or not, aren't. So Nach will may go moi. What do you think that is? Nach will may go moi. Nach will may go moi. So Nach will may is am I not? Go moi well. Local Belfast, you can say aren't I well? Or aren't I well? Same sort of thing. Am I not well? So going down the pronouns very quickly then. Nach will to go moi. Are you not well? Or aren't you well? I would think of it more like aren't you well? So Nach will to go moi. Aren't you well? Nach will she go moi. Nach will she go moi. Isn't he well? Or is he not well? Is he not well? In that regard then. Same for she then. So Nach will she go moi. Is she not well? And Nach will mudge. Nach will mudge go moi. What's that? Are we not well? Are we not well or something? Nach will shiv go moi. Are you plural? Are usins not well? And then lastly, you put a name in there, so you remove the pronoun. So Nach will Dan go moi. Stan not well? What do you think the answers are? Ta Neil. So Ta me go moi. Ta tu go moi. Ta she go moi. You already know the answer. You already know how to say I am well, or you're well, or she is well. Likewise, then the negative form of that. So if somebody said, are you not well? Are you not well? Nach bhfuil tú go mói? Are you not well? Nach bhfuil tú go mói? Níl. Níl mé go mói. Not well. So this is the reason why I said it's really important to watch these videos in order, because I have been shaping the answers around the question instead of giving you the question and then trying to give you the answers. So I don't want to give you too much to have to think about. We can start out in verbs into these, like, are you drinking? Are you watching something? But what I found is whenever I went to lessons, they were sort of grouped together. So you learn this sort of question, this present tense. Well, what are you doing right now? Where are you at? But you have to learn all these verbs at the same time, and that's the biggest thing that I struggled with then, trying to make the combinations and make the verbs at the same time, trying to remember them all. It's quite difficult. Whereas right now, what I'm doing with you is the opposite. I'm giving you some answers to get you fluent with the answers so that you just understand when somebody asks the questions. There's just a little bit of a difference in the question. And then after the fact, we'll come in and we'll start building, giving you more answers, changing the ending a bit. After all, this is a beginner's Ulster Irish. I'm trying to keep things as bite-sized and as simple as possible. So that's us for now. Don't forget the bookmark if you want to come back to this one later. I would say use the bookmark for things that you've came across that you you need to come back and watch it again later, and then you can remove the bookmark off it after if you've done it, or use the bookmarks to signal that you have done it. But then if you leave a wee like, that does the same job, But very important that you watch them in order. Thanks as always, and slán for now.